What's up, guys? GoodeZilla back again. Got some parts in the mail. Yeah, it's a supercharger. We got some Fortune Auto coilovers, some 500 series. Placed the order maybe like 3.5, 4 weeks ago. So, you know, they're made by hand. You know, you order, then they make them pretty much. So, let's open this bad boy up. Alright, so got the wrenches here, got a couple of Allen keys, look like they kind of fell out of the bag or whatever. It's alright. And then we got our certificate assembly. That's pretty cool. Chris Smith, thanks buddy. And then Matt somebody did the final inspection, so that's pretty cool. User guide, alright. And then I guess this is like a pamphlet. Yeah, sweet. 500 series. Out of the way. Oh, it's another box. Alright. Uno momento. Poor Faber. Nissan GTR, R32. Alright, pretty nicely packaged. Foam padding and bubble wrap. Let's take one of these bad boys out and look at it, huh? Alright. Ooh. They are green. Oh, what's that? We're going the wrong way? Yeah, you're right. We need to go low. Lower. Oh, that's bottomed out. Cool. Looks nice. So FA178120. So maybe this is the front 12K. I did 12K front, 8K rear. That's what they recommended to me as far as, you know, basically a street car that will see occasional track use. So we'll see how that does. fortunately, you know, all this stuff is, what do you call it, modular, so, you know, you can swap out stuff, get things rebuilt, and they're local to me. They're in Richmond, Virginia, so yeah, if the springs are too stiff or whatever, if I want to upgrade to Swift springs later, then I can. They'll just slide right on. Let's take a look at one of the other shocks. Let's see. Boom. All right. Nice. So this must be maxed out then. All right, cool. At the top there with the adjustment. Can't remember how many ways adjustable they are. Maybe like 24 or 32 or something. I don't know. I'll have to read the user guide. But yeah, I'm excited. Obviously, we'll be doing these later because, you know, obviously I have other things more important, like getting the car running. So we'll install these at a later date. Yeah, thanks for watching my unboxing of Fortunato 500 series coilovers for the R32 GTR. We'll see you next time.